Welcome back to this video. If you have been finding it difficult to remove your phone number from private, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how you can easily remove your phone number from private for each time you are making calls. And so let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to make sure you open up your dialer. Having opened up your dialer, next thing you need to do is to click on this setting icon right here from the top corner. It's take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down right here and make sure you go to carrier features. It take you right here. If your phone is a dual SIM phone, you will need to select the SIM that always show private number. Select the SIM, then it take you right here. Go to additional settings right here. From additional setting right here, your number hidden in outgoing calls. What you need to do is to simply click on here. The next thing you need to do is to make sure you switch to network defaults. It's that simple. Now, each time you are making calls with this particular SIM card, your number is going to display from a recipient call ID. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.